Hello guys, welcome to PrimeTech Automotive YouTube channel. I'm here today showing a quick tips to remove the crank pulley on a Renault Megane without using a crank locking tool. So it's one of the common issues on this. So near the right hand drive shaft, there's a small cavity that you can see the flywheel. So you need to jam a screwdriver into the flywheel against the cylinder block when you're removing. So jam a screwdriver bottom side and use the impact wrench to remove it, because if you use a pry bar or something, there's a possibility that that you turn the crank, then you will be having a problem with a timing issue. For double check, I put a mark on the flywheel, which is a drive plate, and the block as well, so making sure it's not turned. So with the impact wrench, it's easy removing and installing back. So once you undo the bolt, you can remove the crank pulley out. And now next step is to fit the new crank pulley. So when you fit in the crank pulley, you have to jam a screwdriver on the top of the flywheel area against the cylinder block, and also you need to keep the bottom screwdriver as it was, so that give more leverage to hold the drive pulley, the crankshaft, without turning. And next step, I'm gonna apply Loctite into the crank bolt. That's the new pulley, applying Loctite. And just going to tighten the crank bolt again. So on this, so that while I was tightening it, I just hold both screwdrivers against the drive shaft, which I can't show together, and I use the impact wrench to tighten the crank bolt. And once you complete it, just turn the engine 2 times. It's pretty easy, guys. So thanks for watching. So making sure if you're doing this job your own, lock the crankshaft as I showed you, so you don't need any tools. Thanks again.